Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to do anonymous questions on Instagram. So for that we're going to use a new app whose name is NGL or Not Gonna Lie. So you must install it, and once you have done that you must write your username on this app. Okay, after that what you must do is to copy the link. It has been copied, and now go to your Instagram. You can do this too in another social media. It doesn't matter. By now here in Instagram I'm gonna create a story. This is your selection. You can do whatever you want. And on top I'm going to tap on stickers and I'm gonna find the option link. There I'm gonna paste that link, click on done, and invite the people to make questions. Okay, these are going to be anonymous. Once a person has made you a question, you must go to your app, Not Gonna Lie, and on top you have two options, play and inbox. So there in inbox you are going to find those questions. If I open one, you can reply it, and if you want to know who sent this, you must pay. So for that reason this is anonymous. Okay, so that's how you can do it.